The application My Wordbook is very helpful if you want to learn some English vocabulary. So there are three main stages. First, there is a learning stage, then there is a practice stage, and finally there is a review stage. There are also other options such as adding new word, store where we can buy new words, my library, or an option to share our words with others. First, we have to learn new words. We click the icon Learn and we just start learning. What we can see is the flashcard with the main word, and there is a definition of the word. So, accommodation is a place where you live or stay. There's also a translation option, but we have to add our translation on our own. So we click this icon and we add the translation. We can also add an image or the pronunciation to the word. Where we do it, we click Save. There are also some words with the image presenting the word. There is a pronunciation, word info, example, so this is the sentence with the word we are learning at the moment. We can add our notes, for example synonyms or antonyms. Then we can also edit the word. The next stage is a practice stage, so we click this icon and we can choose what type of questions we want to have. We can have random questions, only images, definitions, gap fillings, or dictation. So we choose random, and then we can decide if we want to have a time for doing the test, so we can have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 or 10, or if we want to have a number of questions, we can choose 10 questions, 20 or 30 questions. If we want to start the test, we just click Go, and we have the first question. We choose the answer and then we submit the answer. When we finish the test, we can see our result and we can go to the review section. Last stage is a review section, so we click the icon and we can start reviewing the words. We click all words and here we have the list of the words, and if we added the translation is here. So we just read the word and think of the Polish translation to the word. If we are ready and we want to check it, we just click this icon and we check the translation. If we were right, we just tick the green button. We can also add our new word to the list, so we just click New Word. We write the word here. We add the translation. We can also add the definition sentence. And we can add the image and pronunciation of the word. When we are ready, we just click Save. The application has its store where we can buy new words, so we can click here and we have many different categories of words, and here we can see the price of each category. There is My Library where we can see the words, all the lists of words we have. So for example, we can see our words, or if our friends shared some words with us, we can see it here. If we add any new words to the application, we can always share them with our friends, so we just click the icon Share and again here Share, and we can Share our words with our friends using Facebook, Twitter, or email.